Warehouse lighting installation, enhancing efficiency and safety. When it comes to operating a warehouse, effective warehouse lighting installation is a crucial factor that directly impacts the following: operation, productivity, efficiency, safety. Thus, properly designed warehouse lighting not only ensures a productive working environment but also a safe one. A well-lit working environment with efficient warehouse lighting installation will enhance visibility, reduce errors, minimizes the risk of accidents. With past experience of many warehouse clients, we will explore the importance of warehouse lighting and the benefits it brings to businesses. Past warehouse clients have included Royal Mail, StockX, Kazoo, Wolseley. Increased productivity from increased warehouse lighting installation. Firstly, adequate lighting in a warehouse is essential for promoting productivity and efficiency. A well-lit environment allows employees to navigate the warehouse easily. Furthermore, locate items and perform tasks accurately and efficiently. In addition, correctly designed lighting conditions also contribute to reducing errors. This is because employees can transfer through the warehouse quicker, locate section and items with greater ease, read labels and scan barcodes easier, read documentation more clearly. Furthermore, clear visibility enhances picking accuracy and speeds up order fulfillment, thus ultimately leading to improved operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Warehouse safety. In addition to increased productivity, correct warehouse lighting plays a significant role in ensuring employee safety. Generally, warehouses often involve the use of the following: heavy machinery, access lifts such as forklifts, automated trolley systems, conveyor belts, continuous loading and unloading of trucks. A common element of all the above are that they are factors or equipment that require precise maneuvering. Therefore, insufficient lighting can create decreased visibility, shadows, or dark spots, thus increasing the risk of collisions, slips, and falls. High visibility vests are commonly worn in warehouses due to lack of visibility. Therefore, any improvement in overall lighting can only be of assistance. By providing adequate lighting throughout the warehouse, businesses can minimize accidents, create a safe working environment, and reduce the potential for injuries. While illuminated walkways, staircases, and storage areas contribute to employee well-being and significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents. Using warehouse lighting for space planning. Another advantage of a well-designed warehouse lighting installation is the ability to optimize space utilization. By strategically placing lights and directing illumination towards specific areas, businesses can effectively utilize their warehouse space. This includes highlighting the following: high-traffic areas, shelving units, loading docks, ingress and egress areas. The aim of correct warehousing lighting design is ensuring that all areas receive the required level of illumination. In summary, properly illuminated spaces facilitate efficient movement and improve the overall functionality of the warehouse. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is an important consideration when it comes to warehouse lighting. Firstly, implementing energy-efficient lighting solutions only reduces environmental impact. Secondly, it also lowers operating costs. For example, LED lighting offers significant energy savings compared to traditional lighting options. LEDs consume less electricity and have a longer lifespan, thus resulting in reduced energy bills and maintenance expenses for businesses. Therefore, upgrading to energy-efficient lighting systems not only benefits the environment but also contributes to long-term cost savings. In addition to functionality and efficiency, warehouse lighting also impacts employee well-being and comfort. We find that poor lighting conditions, such as glare or flickering lights, can cause a range of employee complications. These include eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. Conversely, Appropriate lighting levels and the absence of glare can improve visual comfort, reduce eye strain, and create a more pleasant working environment. In summary, this boosts employee morale, satisfaction, and overall well-being. Warehouse lighting design. When considering warehouse lighting, it is important to assess the specific requirements and characteristics of the space. Important factors to consider are: ceiling height, the layout of the warehouse, the type of activities performed within it. Therefore, there are many factors that influence the lighting design. Employing lighting professionals or consultants can help determine the optimal lighting solution for a particular warehouse. Their design will take into account factors such as brightness, color temperature, and the distribution of light. In conclusion, warehouse lighting installation is a critical aspect of warehouse operations, impacting productivity, safety, and overall efficiency. By providing adequate lighting, businesses can enhance visibility. For all your electrical, lighting, testing, and associated cabling requirements, for a free survey, contact us on the details above.